Gopal ji, namaskar. How are you? So, how's your machine working?
Namaskar Rajji. It is working fine, but to apply grease after every 3 hours is a tedious task. It takes a lot of time and efforts.
In my opinion, you should use better grease. There is a grease available in the market which if applied once is good enough for the whole day of work.
Oh, you mean just a single application for the whole day?
Yes, that's possible. Only with JCB grease. There are other multiple benefits of JCB grease, like it is more tacky and viscous. It has a higher loading bearing property against shocks and jerks. When the machine works for long duration and the temperature of pin bush rises, the grease still does not wear out or loses its property. Hence, there is no need to apply grease frequently. Also, JCB grease protects the machine from rust and wear and tear.
Rajji, is JCB grease expensive?
Not really, Gopal. The price of JCB grease per kg may seem high. However, if you consider expense on grease per month, you will find JCB grease works out to less than half the price of local grease, since you don't have to apply JCB grease at regular intervals.
Then let me go right now and buy grease from the nearest JCB dealership.
No, my dear, not any grease, JCB grease.
Now I have also started using JCB grease. For savings, comfort and peace of mind, that's why it is trusted and known as JCB का भरोसा.